Hey guys, it's Hope. I know I look terrible. I'm exhausted. I have no makeup on, very raw. I had some teeth pulled yesterday. I had two molars on the top left and two molars on the top right. So my mouth is sore, so forgive me. Anyway, I was just coming on to touch base with everybody and say hello. Forgive my parents. Again, I have been making masks for friends and family. Donating some. I've been making these. I made some little SpongeBob ones. I just wanted to share them. I have the blue ones and purple. The elastics, I just wanted to let you guys know that you can get the elastics for them out of any old fitted sheets or blankets that that you don't want that you have. This one, the SpongeBob, was my grandson's baby quilt. The purple is a sheet, and the blue are like the light filtering curtains. hmm And I just took the elastic out of the fitted sheets that we weren't using. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I do have a little mini sewing machine, but I don't know, the tension rod or something, it's been not. So anyway, another alternative if you don't want to hand sew them, good old Fabri-Tac. So I've been using the Fabri-Tac to put a lot of them together. And just where the nose part meets, where the chin meets, and where um, the elastics go in it. Yeah, I've been sewing, just a little reinforcement there. But I mean, we have to be home here in Manchester, New Hampshire as of midnight tonight. It's a stay at home. Thank God the governor finally came to his senses. Um, so I've been home for like the last week and a half, 2 weeks anyway, because I have autoimmune. I'm not trying to go out. Yeah, I've been a little bummed. Haven't seen my grandkids. Of course, we video call and things like that. I had dinner with my daughter the other night, my grandkids, through phone. We, I was eating and they were eating, and we did video chat. Other than that, this is what I've been doing, making masks to donate and whatnot. I have sold a few of them for $5 a pop, so I can get more. What do you call it? Material. Um, and those are only like friends that are insisting like to give me something for my time. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. I haven't really been crafting, haven't been in the mood. And again, I just had four teeth pulled, so not feeling too great. My mouth is very swollen. But I miss everybody, and I wanted to come on and say hello to everybody. And I hope you're all well and safe and doing great, as well as your families. And hopefully, as soon as I can be done with the mask and all that, I will be crafting and I can go back to my normal videos. So I just wanted to let all you ladies know, Alicia, Gina, Sheila, Bonnie, Trina, Lily, all you beautiful ladies, that I'm thinking of you, and love you guys. Stay safe. Okay, guys.